So I'm Gil Fronsdal, and I'm here at the Insight Retreat Center on May 24th. It's almost 2 months now since we started our renovation work. Tremendous amount of work has been done already, including demolition, reframing, electrical, plumbing. It's quite exciting. One of the things that stands out already is the shape and the feeling for our meditation hall and the bedrooms we're going to have. We have single bedrooms for everyone who's going to be on retreat. We have a wonderful meditation hall that already feels quite peaceful, and we have a great location for a retreat center. So I'll take you inside and you can see a little bit what's been done so far. Here we are in the meditation hall. It's still being framed and workers are putting in electrical wires. And we have quite a large hall for 44 people, 45 people can be meditating here. And we have over here, the back wall is going to be where the altar is going to be. And there's going to be a door in the far end going to the outside. And 2 doors indoors to a shoe area and the inner hallway. This will be a place where there's going to be a lot of practice over the years. I'm looking forward to teaching here and to practicing here. So here we are on the deck that goes all the way around the first floor. Half the bedrooms downstairs, the first floor, will have an outdoor door to the deck and also an indoor door to the inner hallway and to the inside the building. So here we have one of the doors, and if you come in with me, you'll see that it goes into one of the bedrooms that's in the process of being framed. We come inside. It's a relatively small room, but certainly big enough for a single person on retreat. There'll be a bed and a small table. This bedroom here will share a bathroom with the bedroom next to it. Down on the first floor here, every 2 bedrooms share a single bathroom together. We have one of the teacher rooms where we'll have interviews and a little office for teachers. It's in the process of being constructed now. You get a small sense of what it's like. It comes directly off the great room, the big entry room that we have, which will make a very nice meeting room and walking meditation hall and general gathering hall. It has a very high ceiling. So here I am standing on the back deck. Behind the back deck is our little woods that we have, quite beautiful. The back deck is right behind the dining room, so we'll have tables out here. People can come and eat during the retreat when the weather is good. We're now already imagining being able to do retreats here. It already feels like a very promising place. And our aim is to have our first retreats here in November, if all the remodeling goes on schedule. The only thing that might at this point really delay the beginning of retreats is that we still don't have the money for most of the furniture that we have to buy. We might have to do either sparsely furnished retreats or wait. We need mattresses and tables, chairs, kitchen equipment, a variety of different things to get it all set up. But soon enough we'll have a retreat center, and I hope those of you who are listening and watching this will be interested in coming on retreats with us. I look forward to welcoming you here on a Insight Meditation Retreat at the Insight Retreat Center. Thank you.